Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can change the font or text color inside your app projects on Base44. So let us guide you through this. Head over to your app project inside the app editor here on Base44 inside your workspace. And then guys, what you want to do is click into preview, select the canvas view, and then click into edit to access the edit mode. Now click into the given text element you would like to customize. For example, the header or the heading of that element here, right? So below you will see these text formatting options if it is a text element, and here on the very left hand side you will see the text color button. Click into it and then you can go through these options, right? Background, foreground. So I suppose foreground means font color, font color. So what you want to do guys is go through these settings. What you want to do guys is go through these settings, switch from theme to custom, and then pick a color. You can use that slider or, for example, the color picker, change the opacity here, or insert the hex color code to apply the font color. And that's it. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.